know many people are having trouble with their Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000's blinking lights? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check battery level. Begin by checking the battery level of your Sonicare Flosser. If it's low, leave it to charge until you see a steady green light. Step 2. Ensure proper connection. Make sure that the charging cord and adapter perfectly connect to the flosser during charging. Remember to unplug before you start cleaning. Step 3. Clean your device. Your device needs regular cleaning. Aim to clean the flosser and its attachments at least once a week for consistent performance. Step 4. Attempt a reset. Still seeing all lights blinking? Try a reset. Hold the power button down for about 10 seconds. Step 5. Use approved parts. Prevent damage and ensure your warranty is valid. Avoid using any parts or nozzles not approved by Philips. With these steps, you should be able to effectively troubleshoot your Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 and keep your dental routine on track. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.